Hi digital marketers, hope you're well and thank you very much for watching another video from PPC Kingdom. Today we're going to explain how to track scheduled calls from Calendly into Google Analytics 4 and how to check if the tracking is working. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put a like on our video. It means a lot to us and costs nothing to you. Now, without further ado, let's check how to track scheduled call from Calendly into Google Analytics 4. So, first of all, we need to go on the website where Calendly has been embedded and check where is the page. So, as usual, we use PPC Kingdom. There is a button, free PPC audit and consultation. If you click on that, you will be redirected on a page where Calendly has been embedded. Then the second step is to log in your Calendly account. Now, as you can see here into my account, there is a tab called Integration and Apps, but this is because I have already linked GA4 to Calendly. If this is the first time that you do it and you don't see the integration and apps, what you need to do is you go at the top of the page on the right hand side and you click where there will be the initial of your name or the initial of the name of the account. And then what will you do? You will click on visit calendly.com, and from here you will go inside product, you will click on integration, you will scroll down and you will look for Google Analytics. Then you will click on Google Analytics, you will add the integration. In this case, the integration will be then available into your Calendly account. So at this point, you will find the integration tab on the left hand side. So what you do is you click on it, you look again for Google Analytics 4, which is here. You click on it and you will click on manage integration. Here there is already the measurement ID of Google Analytics, but what essentially you will find is this. You will find set up Google Analytics and a blank bar. What you need to do is you go inside GA4, you click on admin, you click on data stream, you click on the data stream, and from here you will copy the measurement ID. You go back into your Calendly and you will paste your measurement ID into the blank bar and hit the save button. Well, believe it or not, this is done. What you want to do next is to verify that the tracking is now working. So you are going into Google Analytics 4, and as a first thing you will go into the admin tab and you will go into the events tab. In there you will click on recent events and you will make sure that you will have this type of events called invitee event type page, invitee meeting scheduled, invitee select day, and invitee select time. Please note that it may take a little bit of time for them to appear in here, between half an hour and 1 hour. Then once you see them, you click on them and you select them as key events. That can be transferred into Google Ads. Then, if you want to see if it works in real time, what you need to do, go inside the report tab, go inside the real-time overview, open the page on the website where you have the Calendly form, fill out the form, and you should be able to see the events we have seen just a minute ago appearing in here. I'm not gonna do because I've done before recording this video and I'm using the same IP, so they are not going to appear. But in that case, you can do another thing. What we are going to do is, still under report, go into the tab called View User Engagement and Retention. Click on the Events tab. Be sure that the time range is today. And you can see that from a previous test before this recording, I have invitee meeting scheduled, invitee select day, and invitee select time. We are now at the end of the video, and thank you very much for watching it. If you find it useful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe. The next video will be available soon. Thank you very much. See you next time.